Game changer. Game changer. What are you kidding me? It's building the ebook right before our eyes. What's up, everybody? My name is Dad Learns Money, and I'm going to be showing you how I create my digital products like my ebooks, my planners, my guides, all sorts of cool things in a matter of 10 minutes using the software that's embedded with ChatGPT. I'm going to dive right into it. Now, the software we're going to be using is super cool. It hasn't been around a super long time, but they have just added AI and ChatGPT that's going to help you create ebooks and lead magnets to reach more people. You need a lead magnet so you can attract those customers and convert them into customers and get their email address so you can market to them over and over again with a lead magnet. All right. So in order to get people to give you their name and address, you got to give them something to return. It's got to be something they want. So this software is called Designrr. All right, so they help you do that, create ebooks, lead magnets, so you can transform your blog posts, podcast videos, and PDFs into ebooks, show notes, dynamic flipbooks, transcripts, and PDFs on web pages. I just want to show you who exactly it's for: content marketers, course creators, ebook creators, small business owners, podcasters, coaches. I'm a coach. I'm starting a podcast. If you're in the brand marketing, webinars, marketing agencies, YouTube creators can do this, and also video creators. And all you do is this. Here's how it works. And I'm going to walk you through this. You're going to choose your source, review your draft, choose a template, tweak it, all right, and tune it and publish it, and boom, boom, boom. I created an account because I want to show you even what you get with the most basic service that they offer. All right, so I'm going to go back here. So if I click upgrade right here, all right, so I already have what I have right now is for this video is a $27 standard, and this is a lifetime access. So it's not going to be a monthly subscription. All you have to do is stay within these restrictions. So you get their standard templates, and there's a lot of them. And I'm going to show you, you get unlimited PDF ebooks, and they do all the page numbering and table of contents. They have a generator for you. But if you upgrade, if you're really into digital products, I strive for at least the pro. All right, you're going to get dynamic templates. You're going to get unlimited ebooks, and I'll show you what that means in a minute. And they have a built-in ebook 3D cover creator. All right, so you won't have to design your cover when you start marketing it and putting it on your website. Now, the premium is $297. Keep in mind, this is one time, so you pay at $297. That's going to cover you for the whole year. So same thing with this right here. But you're going to be able to switch your PDFs to also a flipbook, and I'll show you an example of a flipbook as well. Now, you can also import web, Microsoft Word, and Google Docs. You can import those and turn them into an ebook, and they're going to give you 100,000 credits for your audiobook. So if you want to take this same ebook and turn it into an audiobook and put it on other platforms like Kindle and Amazon, you can do that with ease. It's going to do it all for you. All right, so that's also the agency premium. You may not need this unless you're running a big old company where you have a lot of clients each and every day, each and every month, and every week. Then you want to strive for something like this. But at the very least, $27 if you're just starting out. That should fit your basic needs. If you're on different levels, you can choose one of the other ones. All right. So real fast, I'm going to show you what a flipbook looks like. So this is my account. So now the people that you sell your ebook to, they don't necessarily have to download it anymore. This link is going to be hosted on Designrr, all right, at no cost to you. And you can just send people this link and they can read your ebook, and it's going to be in like a flipbook form. So this is the cover of this ebook. And if I press the arrow right here, it opens up like so. All right. Now, if you want to get this ebook, I'll leave the link down below. Also for Designrr, it's going to be down below if you want to get that $27 lifetime access. But this is how the ebook looks. It's super, super flippable. And I also have links in here. So you see, guys, anywhere where there's an arrow on my ebook, I put that there so I can click these links, and it's going to open up a website to help them or take them to a different place. So if you have affiliate links, you can put these in your flipbooks as well. So even right here, you can click right here, and it's going to take them to a different website. All right. So I want you to keep in mind, it's going to do all that stuff for you. All you have to do is just plant those links where you want them to go. And boom, 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 is going to do it all for you. So this is Designrr. All right, so that's an actual flipbook. Back to the ebooks. I created this book right here. using Designrr, and I'm going to show you how to do this. All I would have to do, if all I have is just an idea for my ebook, I kind of have an idea of what I want to create, but I haven't created it. I don't know how to create it. I'm not tech savvy. I'm not fast. I don't know about graphics and all that stuff, man. Designrr is going to fix it for you. All right, so all you would have to do, you guys, this is super, super simple. All right, you would click on Word Genie. All right, so when you click on Word Genie, it's going to bring you to this page. All right, now you're unlimited. You have to stay within the credits. All right, but they give you a number of them, so you have to upgrade if you want to do like 10 ebooks or something like that a day. All right, but it's so simple how the way they walk you through it, and we're going to get started. So you're going to land on this page. This is after you create your account. We won't go through all that. It's super, super simple. They ask you for basic information. You're going to click get started. All right, so you got to give it a topic or a niche. Okay, so you should at least have that information, what topic or what niche you want to start off with. All right, so we'll just say, hey, I want to talk about how to find a niche. Of course, you're going to change your language. Mine is English. We're going to click next. It's going to give you a number of tags or whatever that you can use. All right, so you just pick the ones that are closest to you. I would like if they would let you put in your own tags, but I understand why they have their own tags, because you're working with AI and everybody don't know how to use tags. So you can mess up and it give you information that don't make sense. So they have their own tags. All right, so you want to get close to the tags that are closest to your project. So choose a few tags for your projects. That way we can personalize the templates and artwork according to your niche. All right, but for the sake of this, we'll just do digital marketing. So after you have those, gonna click next again, and look how it's walking you. It's actually building the ebook. All right, so do you want to choose one of the sub niches, or stay within your niche? All right, so how to find a niche. How to find a niche in online gaming, how to find a niche in fashion, pet care, home decor, personal finance, all right, travel industry, DIY, digital marketing. So cool, we'll go with digital marketing. We're gonna click next. What audience is your book targeted towards? It has examples to help you understand: real estate agents, restaurant owners, small business owners. All right, so after that, we're going to click next again. Now it says, this is still the AI technology. Here are some suggestive titles for your ebook. It's already given me a title. All right, so you could pick the title that you like, and you can always go back and change this, but if you like what they got, you can keep it. So the ultimate guide to finding your niche, a digital marketer's handbook, niche hunting, uncovering profitable opportunities in digital marketing. Boom, I like that right there. But you have all of these different kinds. And you can regenerate, just like how you click on regenerate in ChatGPT, you can do that here as well. Okay, so it'll give you some new ones. All right, but just for the sake of this video, we'll just go with what they offered this first time. All right, so you're gonna click next. All right, so it brings you to this page. Feel free to edit the suggested content. So this is the outline of the ebook. All right. It's telling you it's going to get deeper than this, but it's already created the outline based off the information, the tags, the keywords, the niche, everything. It's already taken that information and created. Chapter 1, the importance of finding a profitable niche in digital marketing, understanding the challenges of niche hunting, overview of the book structure. Chapter 2, understanding niche hunting, researching like how to find a niche, strategies for digital marketers, evaluating niche profitability. All right. Ah, game changer. Game changer. What, are you kidding me? And this software has already been good, but now with AI, man, it's just, and this is my favorite. It's so many different ones out there. This is the most user-friendly one. The guy who owns this software is called Paul, and the man is great, man. Even his email is awesome. All right, but anyway, this is awesome. All right, and you can regenerate it. You don't like this, you could click regenerate. It's going to still remember the same information you gave it to get to this point, and it's going to give you some more options. All right, we're going to click next. All right, now look, after that, you can go in here and you can change whatever, right? So if you want to add some links into your table of contents, which is something I don't even be thinking about. all the ebooks I've created, right? I ain't never thought about like adding links into the table of contents. But this is the actual ebook. Before it finishes it up, you can read it and proofread it, change what you like, make it your own. All right. And you can go ahead, if you're an affiliate for anything, right? So say for example, the importance of finding a word genie. Oh, well, it scrolled up. Understanding the challenges of niche hunting, right? I can go and find a software that helps you understand the challenges of niche hunting, hyperlink this, and now they can click that and show what I actually use to help me in my niche, finding a perfect and profitable niche. All right. But what it's actually doing now, because I didn't stop it, I just been going with the motions with what it's offering. It's building the ebook right before our eyes. It's building the ebook. Now, this is just the $27 one time. You pay it one time and you get access to all of this stuff. You can still build unlimited ebooks, but this is actually creating the ebook right before your eyes to the T, that you can take when it's done, tweak it if you find some things you want to change that you didn't like. Definitely proofread it. All right, you're going to sell this, you need to know what the heck you're selling, right? But after that's done, okay, you can sell it and it's yours. You own it. All right, you don't have to go on Fiverr. You don't have to hire a writer, somebody to do all of this for you. You saw it ask me 3 or 4, maybe 5 questions, and then boom, for $27, like, period. And I can create ebooks every day. Are you kidding me? So I want you guys to understand, like, this is gonna also go into my course. All right, that's why I'm recording this video. All right, I've already talked about how cool Designrr was, and I've been using this and testing this. The next few ebooks that are going to come out is going to be built with Designrr and a few other different softwares I'm using. But this is like trailblazing and leading the pack of all my digital products now. All right, there's no excuses. If you don't have the time, this is it for only $27. All right, so I put that link in the chat, you guys. Ebook is officially done. Okay, so now I can come in here, I can change, I can do this stuff manually myself, however I want. If I want to throw, just like if you're creating it in a Word doc, you can add some pictures in there, you can add some hyperlinks, you can change the fonts, you can change the format, you can copy some stuff, you can add some bullet points, you can do whatever you want, right? This is the part where you do that at, all right? So it lets you proofread all of that and change whatever you like, okay? It does 90% of the work. All you got to do is add the 10 if you feel the need to, all right? But you definitely want to read it and make sure there's no mistakes. It still is AI technology, all right? But after you've done all of that, then you want to click, you can save it as a draft and you can come back to it if you want to do that, but you want to click continue to choose a template. All right. And now for the $27 one, anywhere you see these crowns, you can't mess with those. So I will tell you now, just like in softwares like Canva, if you got the free version, you can't mess with that stuff. All right, but everything that doesn't have a crown, these are all the templates that you can play around with. All right, all of them. All right, and it's a lot. All right, and you can have the time of your day just going through them. All right, so I'm just gonna pick one for the sake of this video. Let me see here. All of this stuff is changeable. What you're really just paying attention to, if you like the colors, the branding style, the font, so because you don't want to have to spend a whole another hour to changing it. So pick something that's close to what you want and you just got to make minor changes. All right, if you're not sure, you can click preview right here and it's going to open up to where you can kind of take a look. You see it does all the work for you. So it's going to be, look, this is it, where your word's going to be, is going to have that stuff right there and all that stuff. So it shows you 2 or 3 pages of how it's going to look. So if you kind of think you like it, click the preview. All right, so I would know I'm keeping in mind digital marketing. All right, so I'm trying to find something close to that or whatever. So look, digital marketing, boom, look at that. Wow. Let me look at the preview. All right, boom. All right, I can roll with this. All right, So I click use, boom, boom, boom. We're now preparing your ebook. All right. So it's loading it up. All right. Now, everything that you see is even edible here. All right. But it's transferring everything that we just saw over to the ebook, you guys. Man, maybe it's just me, but this is like super, it's just next level. All right, so over here, you can just go over, I'm over here to the right. You can change and jump to a page or whatever, but they got the, I hate doing table of contents. I hate that. It's so, you would think it's simple, but you can't do it. It's table of contents is like, it like take forever to me. I hate doing that. Even if people have like templates, you still got to tweak it. But this is like perfect for me. This is like, I can live with this. All I would do is I would just change this right here, maybe change the fonts and scoot audiences over or something like that. But I can deal with that. And it's got, look, the page numbers, you guys. Oh, it comes out on the end. But it numbers the pages for you and everything. Like doing that manually in like Canva or something, you got to add all the pages, you got to add all the headers or whatever, and you got to make sure you don't forget to do that. This is taking care of that all for you. All right. And it has all the information we just gave it. We've already proofread it. And look, man, you can tweak, even here you can tweak. So let's just say right here, the importance of finding a profitable niche. I'm gonna click right here with the cursor, press enter, and look, I can add an image. All right, so I just uploaded an image, right? I can drag that image there, easy peasy. All right, and you can move this over. You can stretch this out, make it bigger, all that cool stuff. You can embed the video, like I was saying. All right, you can import more content if you have something pre-written. If you already had your own table of contents, if you want to change the chapter heading, the page breaks, if you want to put audio, like podcasters and stuff, you guys, right? If you want to put your QR code, right? This is another upgraded feature. Dude, all those people that's selling those chat GPT prompts, dude, you can upload your prompts. You can put tables, your call to action in your ebook. Dude. Then it has worksheet elements. This is for the pro version. You could do lists. You could do these. You got more advances to more tables. You can add a questionnaire or frequent asked questions, right? And this stuff is like interactive. I know y'all thinking this stuff, but it's interactive. So if it's a question, right, they can click it and it link to somewhere where you answer the question, right? Or you can link it and make it jump to another page where that question is being answered, all right? Then you can take this and say, and turn it into a planner, and now you can create a product suite. We've talked about product suites, right? So now you can create a planner or a workbook. This is on the pro version though. You can create a checklist, right? So much stuff. You can make a calendar, a budget. Man, it's just awesome to me. Once you're done, then you would come down here, all right, and you would click publish right here. Can y'all see me down there in the bottom left-hand corner? All right, I'm not gonna publish it because I was just showing you guys, but you would click publish. Instantly your ebook is ready to sell. It's ready to sell. Finito. There's nothing else you got to do except promote it. All right, it's not going to sell itself. So that is the end of the video, you guys. I hope I gave you so much value. By the way, I've already said, if you want to sign up for Designrr and get that 27 one-time pay lifetime access, I'm going to drop it down in the description. Also, you guys, if you have any questions, drop your comments down below this video. I always reply. And I just want to tell you guys, thank you so much for watching this video this far. And as always, stay blessed. I will see you on the other side of success. We out.